Hi guys, Gareth here, and I'm here with Laura. I'm going to get Laura to demonstrate a quick exercise that is a really good core exercise, but it also works your compression ability, and it's something that if you do a lot of circus or if you want to do leg lifts, things like that, you need the ability to press your body and hold it in that position. So Laura's going to lie down in a nice little dish shape, arms above her head, and she is going to do a V up. But at the top she holds it, she holds that compression. She's using her quads and she's using her hip flexors to really hold herself in that position. She'll hold it for a count of 3 and then go back to the start, back into that dish shape. So she's back into that dish shape and then she goes back up again using the quads and the hip flexors to hold herself in position there. So it's a lot more hip flexor and quad than it is core, but it does work core at the same time. Then she comes down. But now she can make it harder still. So once she's got that down, she can hold the ball in one hand, or both for the initial compression. And so she goes back up into the V up, and then she passes the ball to the other hand around her legs. So not only is she compressed, she has to find the balance there. So it's just something to try. Give it a little go when you're stuck at home over the next couple of months.